exploded whilst watching this particular video while using headphones, please give a like rating. Thank you.
Somebody wanna fucking pick me up, or do I have to run down this massive hill?
Never! Yes! I evaded Connor to fuck. I reversed into him, like just before him, and then like twirled around him. That was bloody amazing.
Connor, wait!
Nope.
You suck!
Nope, not the same.
Oh, son of a dick.
I'm gonna have to get another crumpled chocolate bar.
Dude, I'm just evading Connor so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But Jeffrey was fucking idiot. I'm gonna read the comments.
Oh shit! I wasn't looking. I didn't look at the screen properly. I looked at the map and then I just saw you.
I'm not Gabby!
New. What happened there?
I went in the cinematic view and that happened by accident. What just happened? Because it like my screen freaked out and I didn't see.
That was pretty cool.
Could you pit maneuver me? Ah, okay.
Come on, Connor. Come on, Connor. Come on, Connor. Bye.
Get him, man, he's getting away! Okay, Jesse.
Hey, guess what? New.
Connor, you follow him. I'm gonna go get my bike.
Let's go find Ryan.
Oh, okay. That was like perfect timing.
I went straight over your head. Ryan, Connor, let's go back to the highway. Highway to.
Why we all sang that?
Yep.
That was creepy. What do you get when you go down the street?
You get
Diabetes.
Where you going, Jesse?
Over here.
Me, please.
Oh, where you at? What?
Oh my god.
I'm going on. I'm doing in matchmaking and everyone's playing as the COG guy. No one else.
Huh. Are they low levels?
No.
What do you get?
Yeah.
They're in
Fucking
like.
Connor.
They're either match.
Oh my god. Hey.
What the fuck?
You guys are actually doing good.
Connor just fucking like crushed Jess. What were you saying, Edward?
They're either like the maximum one that isn't a number, or they're in between.
Thank you so much, Connor.
Oh.
Oh, fuck, I'm stuck.
Huh.
Help!
Interesting.
Stand down!
I mean, even I'm playing as one of them, so I don't know.
Get out.
Ah! Connor, Jesse's getting away. I'm gonna have to catch him.
Shut up, mate.
When did that happen? I don't remember that. Oh! I surely went flying into those gas canisters. We should find like a quiet area with no police and have like a fucking car joust until one of us explodes. Where the fuck did Jesse go? Jesse, that looks amazing. That was fucking cool! Did you get...
I got like a general looking guy. I got another woman. I don't know.
Dude, I want to reverse. What the fuck?
Well, you're not gonna!
Tough shit, I'm gonna reverse, alright?
Nope.
Thank you. Nope.
Ah!
No pit maneuver, bad boy. Fuck. Yes.
Oh god.
Let's go!
No.
Alright, let's go back this way.
Oh my fucking need a dick, man.
What kind of dick?
Black dick? Caucasian dick? White dick?
Chocolate!
Chocolate rain! New! Oh, that didn't go so well.
Okay.
I'm fucking down there. Mike!
Hi, Ryan.
I was born sick. In a movie.
What happened? Like, so like in Christianity, right? Like, if somebody dies and they're not christened, then they go to hell. So if if a baby's born and then like dies immediately, so they go to hell.
Oh god, yes.
Baby hell.
Baby. What does baby hell look like?
You're in a hot car for the rest of your life.
Oh god! Oh god, you're in a hot car for the rest of life.
For eternity, I think you mean.
Yeah.
You don't really have a life anymore.
You got roasted!
What
New.
What?